There you go. Play ball. Yeah, I see you playing ball. Wow, look at Mozzie. He's playing ball with Grandma. Play ball. Very good. Got the ball. Good, Mozzie. Oh my, look at you bouncing the ball. Go get the ball. Get the ball. Come on, get the ball. You want to play with the ball? Where's the ball? There's the ball. Good boy. I see the ball. I see the ball. Yeah, throw the ball. All right, very good. Mozzie likes to play with the ball. Come on, throw the ball. Good boy. Uh-huh. Very good. Maybe you'll be a ball player one day. Go get the ball. He likes the ball. Get the ball. Why don't you hit your little bongos? Good. All right, good boy. Hit the drum. Dance. Play the music. Whee! Oh no! Mozzie fell. That wasn't so good. Well, you have to be careful when you play. You're going to have a whole lot of bumps and bruises. Oh. Go get the ball. Get the ball for Grandma. Forget about the fall. Get the ball. Get the ball for Grandma. Come on. Thank you. Get the ball. Can you get the ball for Grandma? Can you get the ball? Thank you. Get the ball. Yeah, get the ball for Grandma. Get the ball for Grandma. Okay, I guess you don't want to get to play anymore. No play? All right. Say bye.